Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into American Express mobile app, secure access step by step clearly. To log into the American Express mobile app, begin by locating the app on your device. If you haven't already, download the American Express app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app by tapping the icon on your device. You will be greeted with the login screen. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, input your password. Make sure that both your user ID and password are entered correctly. If you prefer, you can check the Remember User ID option for easier access in the future. After double-checking your credentials, tap the Login button. The app will now attempt to verify your credentials. If successful, you will be directed to your account dashboard. In case you forget your user ID or password, tap on the Forgot User ID or Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to recover your login information. For added security, consider setting up biometric login options such as fingerprint or facial recognition. This will allow for quicker access to your account in the future. Once logged in, explore the various features of the app. Make sure to log out after finishing your session, especially on shared devices. If you encounter any issues, visit the American Express website or contact customer support for assistance. With these steps, you should now be able to easily and securely log into the American Express mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.